What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another recipe on Cook with Cartea. Yeah, hey, look, I'm excited for this recipe today. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all seen in that thumbnail what we got going on today. We got the fried chicken. I'm gonna show y'all how to make the crispiest fried chicken the perfect way. Along with, look, if you're from Chicago like me, this is gonna be a legendary episode. Today we're gonna be making that mild sauce. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. Like I said, I'm excited. We're gonna be making that fried chicken, and then we're gonna be making that classic, mild sauce on the side. We got a few ingredients laid out in front of us. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got going on. You know, we got our chicken wings right here. Just got a few of them. Just for our chicken over here, we got our buttermilk. We got all-purpose flour. We got cornstarch. We got our all-purpose seasoning right here. Now over here, this is gonna be the ingredients that we use for our mild sauce. So we got some ketchup. We got some white vinegar, barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like. We got some hot sauce, the Louisiana with the Cajun heat in there. And then we got some white pepper. And then we also gonna, put some of that all-purpose seasoning in to our mild sauce as well. So look, like I said, y'all, I'm excited. We finna go ahead and get cooking. First thing we gonna start off with is we already got that chicken cleaned, it was seasoned. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with that. Get this marinated in that buttermilk. And then we're gonna go from there. So let's get to it. All right, so if you tuned in to our crispy chicken tender recipe or one of the most recent recipes that we did our crispy chicken sliders. You already kind of seen this process. It's really not too much. We got our chicken in here. We got our chicken wings in here. And we're gonna go ahead and throw that buttermilk in there because this is gonna be our marinade. So let's get some buttermilk in here. And I'm gonna just put enough. Like I said, I only got a few wings. I got about 6 wings. Get a little 6-piece. So I'm gonna just put enough buttermilk in there just to make sure that, all my chicken is submerged and covered up. That buttermilk, it helped with that crispiness. It helped with some flavor. It's gonna make a real tender and juicy wing. So, that buttermilk can help cut through those fibers, and then, it add a little bit of flavor as well. We got our buttermilk in there, and now we just gonna come in with some of this all-purpose seasoning. All right, so that's good. So now we're gonna take this, we're gonna cover it up, and then we're gonna throw this in the fridge and let this cool and marinate for, I'm gonna do 30 minutes to an hour. You could do 30 minutes at the least. You could do up to 6 hours. You could do 24 hours if you want to, but I ain't got enough time for all that. So look, I'm gonna do 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna let this marinate. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make that mild sauce. So let's get this going. We got that chicken marinating. Now look, this is gonna be the fun part. We about to make that mild sauce. So like I said, we got a few ingredients. We're gonna start off with some ketchup, barbecue sauce in there. Now right now I'm eyeballing because I don't know exact measurements, but I'm gonna throw all the ingredients in there, and then I'm gonna just taste it, and I'm gonna just add as I go. Add the hot sauce in there, then we're gonna add that white vinegar. Now we're gonna season it up. All-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Now we had a little bit of black pepper in there in the all-purpose, but we're gonna throw that white pepper in there as well. All right, so let's give this a mix. All right, so now we got our batter station. Flour, roughly about 1.5 cups, 2 cups. Cornstarch. Remember that cornstarch is key to that crispiness. We're gonna add almost the same amount of cornstarch as we did flour. You don't want to add too much cornstarch because you don't want the chicken to crisp up too fast, and then you don't have a cooked chicken. It's just gonna burn. Chicken over with. Gotta do it again. So then we're gonna come in. All-purpose seasoning. Season that batter up real good. And I'm gonna throw in a little bit more smoked paprika. We got smoked paprika in the all-purpose seasoning. but I'm gonna just add a little bit more to the batter. All right, now we just gonna give this a mix. Get this mixed up real good. We got our oil over here heating up. We want that oil to get to 350 degrees before we drop any chicken in there. We're gonna go ahead and add our chicken, batter, and then we're gonna let them rest. So let's go ahead and do that. Now with the wings, you coating up those chicken wings, you wanna literally make sure that every part of this chicken is covered in the batter. Every crevice, we want every single part of this chicken wing to be crispy. You can kind of mat them down in there, do one by one. Just make sure that they covered and submerged in that batter real good. You want to see no open spots. You're gonna shake off that excess just like that. And we're just gonna sit it here, let it rest. You could throw it on the cooling rack too. So we're just gonna keep doing this until we get them all coated up in that batter, all while we letting the oil come up to temp. All right, y'all, so all our chicken is coated. We got some oil up to temp. So let's go ahead and throw some pieces in here. So we got our chicken frying. We just put the first 2 pieces in there. So what we're gonna do is since we don't got them submerged in the oil, I'm only gonna do 2 at a time because clearly that's all that can fit, and I don't want to overcrowd too much more. I really can't even fit no more pieces in there. But anywho, so let's say you had your chicken submerged into the oil. You would do about maybe like 5 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Just check. Once you get to 5-6 minute mark, kind of just check that golden brown color. You got that right crispiness and that finished chicken. So all we're gonna let these do is on each side, since I don't have the chicken submerged into oil, each side, I'm gonna give it about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Flip it, another 5-6 minutes, and then we're gonna check that doneness. We're gonna check that crispy golden skin. Yeah, so that's exactly what we want. And yeah, we're gonna be done. We're gonna do that for each one. Yeah, and then we're gonna be done cooking with our fried chicken. Y'all gonna see that crispiness. Y'all gonna hear that crunch, flavor, and don't forget, yeah, we got that mild sauce too. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, look, finished with that fried chicken. Yeah, nice and crispy. So if it's cool with y'all like it's cool with me, let's go ahead and get us a bite. Now, listen. We got to try a piece with that mild sauce. Yeah. All right, y'all. So yet again, that's another recipe, cook with Cartea. We got that crispy fried chicken and the secret mild sauce recipe. Now look. Mild sauce, Chicago style mild sauce, it got different alterations. I don't think nobody really know the recipe for real, but you got those main ingredients that will kind of bring you as close as possible to the mild sauce recipe. But it ain't nothing like the original. Now look, make sure y'all spread the word. Let people out there know we making those fire recipes on this channel. And look, we even paying homage to the city. Now, make sure y'all continue to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and cooking with me. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the recipes that's yet to come. We got some more fire recipes. Yeah, so stay tuned. Y'all be safe out there, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next recipe on Cook with Cartea.